Nestled in the enchanting town of San Miguel de Allende, Guanajuato, Casa La Quinta stands as a testament to thoughtful architectural design and a deep respect for its surroundings. The journey to its creation began with a meticulous site visit, during which the designers immersed themselves in the local context, absorbing the essence of the place and its built environment. They recognized the significance of the existing structures, particularly the height of the neighboring walls, and saw these elements not as constraints but as defining features that would shape the empty spaces between them. From this realization, the concept for the ground floor emerged. The design embraced the idea of these pre-existent walls as boundaries that would guide the spatial organization of the house. Instead of compartmentalizing the interior, the ground floor plan was conceived as a fluid, open space where the social areas seamlessly blend with the outdoors. This lack of divisions creates a sense of freedom and continuity, inviting the natural world into the heart of the home and allowing life inside to spill effortlessly outside. In addressing the challenge of limited views to the landscape, the architects introduced a brilliant solution: 3 distinct patios, or void spaces, each with its unique character and purpose. These patios serve as the lungs of the house, breathing life and light into the interior while providing private, tranquil retreats for the inhabitants. Each patio was meticulously designed to offer a different experience, whether it be a serene space for contemplation, a vibrant area for social gatherings, or a quiet nook for restful solitude. The interplay of these voids within the house creates a dynamic and ever-changing environment. The patios introduce a play of light and shadow, enhancing the perception of scale and space for the user. As the sun moves across the sky, it casts intricate patterns and brings a high contrast of illumination and shade, imbuing each corner of the house with a unique ambience at different times of the day. These spaces of silence and rest offer a stark yet harmonious contrast to the bustling activity of the social areas, providing moments of peace and reflection. Casa La Quinta, therefore, is more than just a weekend retreat. It is an embodiment of harmony between architecture and environment. It respects and celebrates the identity of its location, weaving the existing elements into a cohesive and thoughtful design that elevates the experience of those who dwell within. The house stands as a serene oasis, where the boundaries between indoors and outdoors blur, and where the thoughtfully crafted voids transform the living space into a sanctuary of light, shadow, and tranquility.